Hey guys, what's up? It's Katie here and I am so excited. Before I left for work, I got my home chef delivery. It's been a busy day. You guys know I love to make my recipes and eat healthy and cook at home. So this was the easiest way for the busy girl and the lazy girl to make my healthy food and make my recipes. So what homechef.com is, you can choose between 18 different menu items each week. So it's always keep refreshing and it's always fresh food. So they'll deliver those ingredients, exactly what you need to make that meal, to your doorstep, and you have step-by-step ways on how to make that. So if you guys aren't a good chef, don't worry about it, because Home Chef will really help you out there and it'll make the lazy girl seem like you are a grade A chef. And if you guys want to try homechef.com out, I actually put a link down below so you guys can just press that there and you guys get $30 off. Make sure you check that out. It is sweater weather, it's kind of getting chilly outside, it's that fall feeling, so something hearty but still healthy like chili is today's recipe. This video is sponsored by Home Chef, so thank you so much for sending me these ingredients. Let's go. So I just unboxed all of these ingredients and it seems super simple to follow along. It's only 5 steps and I'm just grabbing the Home Chef app right here so I can follow along. First things first, I'm just gonna dice the onion and the tomatoes and the pepper, and the best part about this is you're only gonna need 1 pot. So, not a lot of dishes to clean up, and let's get right to it. I just diced half of an onion, 2 small red tomatoes, and then 1 whole red pepper. Then I put 1 tablespoon olive oil in this pot. It's on medium to low simmer. I'm just gonna throw all of these veggies here in the pot all together. I'm also going to be adding in a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. So after all these veggies have sauteed for about 5 minutes and they look nice and golden brown and soft, I'm gonna put in my cumin and my chili powder. And the best part about this is it's already measured out for me, so I don't need to have any measurements, any teaspoons or whatever. I'm just gonna throw in these spices. It's gonna taste so good. And then I'm just gonna stir it a few more times. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells amazing. To bring the chili all together, I'm gonna throw in the tomato sauce, just the whole can. It kind of depends on how thick you want your chili, if that makes any sense. I like my chili really like very thick and not a lot of water in it. So what you guys can do is actually, if you like it more liquidy like a soup, pour in all the liquid from the beans. I'm just gonna pour in like half the liquid because I like my chili very thick. And the beans right here are gonna add the fiber, the protein. So I let the chili simmer for about 14 to 16 minutes. Then I'm gonna top it off with some tortilla strips, some sour cream, and cheese. These of course are all optional. If you guys wanna go a little bit lower carb, you guys can definitely leave out the tortilla strips, but they taste really good. So it's 2 servings, there's a packet each. I'm just gonna be using 1 packet for both of them. Dollop just a little of sour cream. And voila! Vegetarian black bean chili. You guys, this looks so good. I wish you guys could smell it and taste it. So good. It was such an easy, quick, healthy meal, vegetarian black bean chili. So thank you so much to Home Chef for sending these ingredients my way to make this super quick, simple, ingredients at my doorstep meal. I mean, seriously, there's nothing easier, and I'm super excited to eat this. So make sure, if you guys want to check out this vegetarian chili, and are you a lazy and busy girl and want the ingredients delivered to your doorstep, make sure to check out homechef.com. And if you guys like this video, make sure to like it, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next week.